Welcome to a quick and clear guide on how to disable push notifications for Reels on the Facebook app using the latest update. If you have been feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts, this will help you regain control without missing any important updates. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile photo. This takes you to your personal settings hub where you can customize your experience. From there, select Settings and Privacy. In this section, you'll find a series of options designed to tailor how Facebook communicates with you. Tap Settings to dive deeper into your account controls. Next, locate and choose Notifications. This is where Facebook groups alerts by category, so you can decide which parts of the app should ping you and which should stay quiet. Inside Notifications, you'll see a list of different notification types. Scroll until you find Reels. This is where you manage alerts specifically for Reels content, separate from other app notifications. Under Reels, you'll see an option labeled Push. Toggle this off to stop push notifications from Reels. With Push disabled, you won't receive real-time alerts about new Reels, saved clips, or algorithm-driven recommendations, but your in-app notifications and other channels remain unaffected. If you ever want to tweak this again, you can return to the same path and re-enable push at any time. This approach gives you flexibility. You can silence Reels while keeping other notifications intact. A quick tip: if you use multiple devices, the setting you change on one device should apply across your account, but it's worth double checking on another device to ensure the preference sticks. Also, if you notice a change in how notifications appear, explore the notification settings for other categories you might want to customize for a calmer, more focused experience. That's all there is to